In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the visibility of a Trello board as part of our ongoing Trello tutorial series. Whether you want to collaborate with the world or keep things just within your team, changing your board's visibility settings can help you manage access in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to head over to Trello.com, where you can access all your boards and projects. Once you've arrived at the Trello homepage, look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on it to enter your login details. Now, if you already have an account, you can choose to log in using your email or your Google account, whichever is most convenient for you. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the board overview page. Here you'll want to navigate to the boards section. If you haven't already set up your workspaces, take a moment to locate the Your Workspaces section. It offers a structured view of where your boards are housed, helping you easily find the ones you work with regularly. Next, it's time to select the specific board whose visibility you wish to change. Click on that board and you should be taken to its main view. Once there, take a look at the top to locate your board's name. Next to this, there's a button you can click. This button is essential as it brings up the board settings where you can adjust its visibility. By clicking the button next to your board's name, a menu will appear. Here, you'll see options such as private and public. If you want to ensure only invited members can view and collaborate on the board, you should select private. This ensures maximum control over who can see your content. On the other hand, if you're looking to make your board more accessible, perhaps for broader collaboration or sharing publicly with people outside your immediate team, you can opt for the public setting. By making it public, anyone with the link can view your board, but remember, only added members can make changes, preserving the integrity of your work. When transitioning a board to public, a confirmation prompt might appear, emphasizing the implications of this choice. Confirm your decision by clicking on Yes, make board public to finalize the change. This confirmation step is crucial. It ensures you're intentionally making the board accessible to anyone on the internet. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to manage the visibility of your Trello boards, giving you flexibility in how you share and manage your projects. Remember, these settings are not permanent and can be adjusted at any time as your collaboration needs change. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Trello tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.